Most hot honey chicken fails for one reason, and it has nothing to do with the honey. The problem is the crunch, and I'm not letting that happen here. This is everything we need. So let's get our chicken ready. This first step is the most important. Buttermilk loaded with spices soaking into the chicken. It tenderizes it, locks in moisture, and guarantees juicy chicken all the way through. Once it's well mixed, it goes in the fridge for a few hours. This coating looks simple, but one wrong ratio and you lose the crunch completely. As far as the spices, you can adjust them to how you like them, but the key three ingredients here are obviously flour, corn flour, and baking powder. And here's the part most people mess up. They rush this part, and that's why the chicken never crisps properly. You don't want to shake it too much, you want to press the flour in so it sticks. And before you start frying them, you gotta let them rest for a little while, at least 10 minutes. Now the oil temperature matters more than anything. Too hot and it burns, too low and it absorbs oil like a sponge. If you listen to that sound, that's how you know it's right. But these aren't just fried chicken tenders. The honey is where everything changes. Hot honey is all about balance. Sweet first and heat after. Too thick and it clumps. Too thin, it slides off. By adding a slice of unsalted butter, you get this perfect balance. If you've enjoyed the video so far, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Now let's see how this chicken turned out. Now with hot honey, less is more. You don't want to drown the chicken, just enough to glaze it. Too much and it turns sweet, sticky and heavy. This way, you still taste the crunch, the spice and the chicken.